Namaskar. Previously, we have gone through the episode in which we have discussed the education of head, heart, and head. Now, we will take this opportunity to understand how we can work for our better career along with pursuing our education, especially higher education. We all are aware that normally we do not take that much of care while we are at school education for our career plan. But as and when we enter on the floor of the higher education, we do take care and we keep in mind while selecting our degree program so that we can address our aspiration for the future career. There are two kind of the ways through which we can plan and do the needful for our career. First one is the skill and second one is the attitude and approach. Whatever the subjects we are studying during our graduation are divided in the three major parts. Nowadays in the CBS system, one is the foundation course, which is majorly addressing the value system of the student. Second was the elective courses, which addresses the nurturing of the supporting skills. And core subject is for improving our core competencies for completing the graduations. Now, we all have to go through the different teaching learning process in which we have to attend the classes of the different subjects. We have to attend the co-curricular programs. We have to attend the practicals. And also we need to participate in all the different events which are taking place. Maybe the extracurricular activities taking place in the college, at the campus. So all are the different opportunities available with us, which can be utilized in the proper way by participating in the useful manner or active participation in all the events which are operating. When there is a classes of the various subjects are undertaken, we should be keen to participate in that, involve in that. When the practical work is going on, then we should take enough interest. And whenever we find any difficulty, we should approach our teacher, get the guidance from the teacher. Also, there are some expert lecture arranged in the institution related to the subject are also important. Ultimately, all in all, we need to have enough interest in all the different subjects and papers are being taught at our college, and we should keen to have the further reading which is required for strengthening the subject by reading the books or reference books available in the library. Also, whenever there is an opportunity available to attend the different co-curricular programs, may be organized outside the campus, field work, and some kind of the camps we may be organized, and all these are the useful for understanding and understand by the student by having the interaction with the society. So all this opportunity available to the student on the different occasion. When there is a tribal area study camp, when students are going to the different deprived areas where they can learn the issue of the deprived people. When there is a village camp, they can understand the problem of the villagers. When we are having the opportunity of the field work, so we can visit the different progressive farmer or the interaction with the farm women and the interaction with the sarpanch and other village leaders, so that we come to know the local issues may be related to the different socio-economic aspects. Also, there is a opportunity of different resource center available at the campus, like library, like computer lab, also like the research stations or the different departments which are engaged in some kind of the extension work. So all these different resource centers can be utilized by the students in the manner so that there is a practical exposure and there is a further reading, further study. Even student can engage himself or herself with the research activities going on by having the participation and involvement. Different magazines and journals available in the library can be read thoroughly. Newspaper can be read thoroughly. Day-to-day problems and day-to-day life problems are to be studied regularly. Whatever the events and whatever the problems in the society are to be studied. International development can be studied, so that ultimately our knowledge base become very powerful and large. Extended knowledge pool is ultimately benefiting us when we appear in the interviews, when we appear in the competitive exams, or we may enter in any of the field. We require such kind of the experience based knowledge. that makes us more suitable for the jobs. Time management is a part and parcel that each and every student has to taken care of. Always take care to manage the and use the time available. And punctuality should be the part and parcel of our student life, where we always be there in any of the program at a time and involved and participate in all the events without losing any of the available opportunity. There are some assemblies are being arranged in the institution. We should take opportunity to express or take opportunity to discuss in that assemblies. Also, there are student counseling on the campus, which gives us opportunity to take the responsibility in the different event preparations, institutional programs, or the student related activities operating in the campus. So, those who are positive in taking responsibilities, those who are always involved in the different kind of the curricular, co-curricular and extracurricular activities during the graduation are ultimately raising their capacity and capabilities for the future career. I must say that we should improve our communication skills. Also, we should improve our team working skills. Also, there is a chance available with each and every student to develop the leadership skill even. So all in all, we can use this time for building our all-round capabilities, and which in turn make us more powerful while we attend any of the interviews or we enter in the field of searching jobs. I limit this talk here.